In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks Online to access and understand your profit and loss report. If you're a small business owner or manager looking to gain insights into your financial health, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps you'll need to follow for this process. Our journey begins by opening your web browser and heading over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once you're on the landing page, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. You'll need your username and password to access your account. Once you've signed in successfully, you'll be greeted with the familiar QuickBooks dashboard. The next step is to navigate to the Reports section. Over on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. From this menu, click on the Reports tab. This section is essentially the heart of your financial insights, where you can generate a variety of reports to monitor the health of your business. Now we're focusing on generating the profit and loss report. You have two options here. You can either enter profit and loss directly into the search bar at the top to quickly find it, or browse through the business overview section where the profit and loss report is conveniently located. This report is crucial as it provides a snapshot of your business's income, expenses, and overall profitability. Before we run the report, let's set the date range that suits your needs. You'll find options such as this month, last month, and even a custom range where you can specify exact dates. Choosing the right date range will ensure that the data in the report reflects the period you're interested in analyzing. Once you've set your desired date range, proceed by clicking the Run Report button. QuickBooks will then generate a comprehensive report that displays your income, expenses, and net profit or loss for the period you've selected. This report will give you a clear picture of your financial performance and help you make informed business decisions. For those who want more tailored information, there's an option to customize the report. By clicking on Customize, you can filter the data by customer, product, or class, allowing you to focus on specific aspects of your business. This customization feature helps in refining your analysis to suit particular business needs or scenarios. Lastly, if you'd like a copy of this report for your records or to share with others, you have the option to export it. Simply click on Export and choose either Excel or PDF format depending on your preference. Having a copy of your financial reports is always a good practice for bookkeeping and audits. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently access and utilize the profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. This tool is invaluable for maintaining a clear understanding of your business's financial status. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!